Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, Task Force Review Meeting held at SAIL RSP. Five departments of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant felicitated for commendable performance. And Deepika Mahila Sangati donates coolers to Rourkela Government Hospital. Now the news in detail. A task force review meeting was held at HRD Center of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 28th May. Mr. Deepak Chatra, CEO, RSP, presided over the meeting. Present on the occasion were Mr. P.K. Das, ED Works, Mr. Rajveer Singh, EDPNA, Mr. D.K. Mahapatra, EDMM, Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Projects, Dr. S.S. Pati, Director in Charge Medical and Health Services, Mr. P. Nigam, CGM, FNA, and the members of all the task forces. Notably, three task forces constituted for expenditure control, revenue generation, and operation optimization are functioning at RSP. These task forces are headed by Mr. Rajveer Singh, Mr. D.K. Mahapatra, and Mr. Ram Narayan Naik, CGM in charge maintenance respectively. All the three task forces give their recommendations to the Apex Task Force headed by ED Works, which then decides the action plan based on the current scenario and future requirements. The task forces made elaborate presentations in the meeting describing the interventions made in their respective areas and the benefits derived. Another presentation was made by the Apex Task Force on the financial impacts and cost-saving measures to tide over the present challenging situation. The CEO reviewed the progress of the task forces and suggested areas where more improvements can be achieved. Five departments of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant, namely Blast Furnace, Coke Ovens and Coal Chemicals Department, Energy Management Department, Instrumentation and Power, Captive Power Plant 1 and PBS were felicitated by Mr. P.K. Das, ED Works, in his office on 29th May for their commendable performance. It is worth mentioning here that there were constant issues related to low and uncontrollable BF gas pressure to battery 6. A team comprising employees from these five units took up the challenge of addressing the problems. They studied the existing orifice design installed in the blast furnace gas main heater to battery 6 and decided to increase the diameter of the orifice. With the collective intervention of these departments, highest ever blast furnace gas yield was achieved. Besides, the power generation from PBS increased and minimized the low and uncontrollable blast furnace gas pressure. The blast furnace department increased the flare stack pressure control valve PCV set point from 800 mm of water column to 900 mm without affecting normal operating condition of blast furnace. This led to substantial increase in BF gas yield, which in turn led to increased BF gas availability for power generation from PBS. Coke Oven and Coal Chemical Department redesigned and replaced the orifice in blast furnace gas main heater. Energy Management Department conducted the pressure survey of BFG line to battery 6 with respect to the blast furnace grid pressure in modernization zone. Similarly, Instrumentation and Power, Captive Power Plant 1 and PBS utilized the excess BF gas available by running 2 STGs, which led to increase the in-house power generation significantly and also reducing power import from grid. The successful venture bears testimony to the technical expertise, teamwork, dedication and strong commitment of the RSP collective. Deepika Mahila Sangati, a leading philanthropic organization of Rourkela and a major partner in various CSR initiatives of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant has been actively involved in various charitable activities for the benefit of the underprivileged populace. In line with this, the Sangati has donated 5 coolers to Rourkela Government Hospital. Mrs. Raka Chatraj, President DMS, handed over the coolers to Dr. Sudharani Pradhan, Superintendent, and Mr. Mohit Srivastava, Hospital Manager of RGH, in a small program organized at Deepika Mahila Jagriti Sansthan on 29th May. Present on the occasion were Dr. Mrs. Suprabha Mishra Das, Mrs. Suman Lata, Mrs. Meenakshi Mahapatra and Mrs. Kiran Sinha, all Vice Presidents of DMS. The governing body members of the organization were also present on the occasion. The coolers were donated for the comfort of the patients undergoing treatment at RGH during the scorching summer. The function was organized by Mrs. Sujata Khuntia, Secretary DMS. That's all for the news today. Namaskar.